Alright, so we are back for another video, and today we're gonna do something a bit different in the channel. So I think you guys can see it from the title. These are maybe imitations of BTS IEMs. So these are not mine. This is my wife's. So she tried to maybe imitate her favorites IEMs, and of course this is a DIY kind of thing. She just looked at my stash of IEMs and then maybe picked the right color and the right color of the cable as well, and also the case as well, and tried to put some stickers on the IEMs, and we're gonna check them out. Of course, I'm not 100% familiar on who these are. I have some guide here for me, so I'm gonna check this from time to time. But she did this herself. So this is not for sale, of course. I just want to walk you through on what you can do with your IEMs. I'm pretty sure some people out there are maybe customizing their IEMs as well with stickers. Of course, I'm not a BTS fan, so if there's something wrong that I say, just feel free to correct me. But this is purple or violet. Opening it up. So yeah, this is not mine as well. She bought this from Lazada. Of course, I'm gonna try to link everything down below if you want to get yours. But opening this up, and this is the IEM. I believe this is a TRN. I'm gonna link it up here. Yeah, it's definitely more of an IEM design here. You have some fins, but this is the unique thing here. So she put some stickers here. JK. So this is Jungkook. So hopefully I got that correctly, and you seem to have your BTS sticker here. So, and it's in a blank cable as well. So she's trying to imitate. I'm gonna try to show the image here and in the right side. Just to show you guys the IEM she's imitating. But this is a TRN cable as well, black in cable, and of course you're getting the TRN IEM as well. And that stickers, I think she customized it, so I'm not 100% sure where she got it. Of course, I'm gonna try to link it down below if it's available, but I do think she just printed this out. This will be just for her usage and for a friend's usage. So again, this is not for sale, but this is something that you can do to your IEMs to make it more personalized. Actually, usually for maybe live monitoring, they're using custom IEMs, so it's kind of shaped to their ear. So custom IEMs have that, maybe sometimes have that bulges depending on how fitting you want your custom IEMs to be. So I do have my custom IEMs as well, so it doesn't have this, but some custom IEMs have those as well. A couple of maybe IEMs that are black and that you can buy around. But actually this shape is quite nice because again, it's a custom IEM look, and I believe the IEM that she tried to imitate is an ultimate ears. And there's another one as well, and I think this will be a gift to her friend. So inside you are getting a white IEM here, right, and a white cable as well. And I believe this is actually a cheaper IEM here. This is the KZ-EDX. So they do have an all-white design. But yeah, this is the EDX Pro, and look at this, guys. So at the side, of course, you're getting that stickers as well. So maybe some people can install this cleaner. This is just a DIY thing, so not maybe the smoothest edges there, but still you are getting that logo, that BTS logo there at the side, and you're getting this symbol as well. Of course, I'm gonna show maybe on the right screen on what this looks like, but it seems that it is an ultimate ears maybe copy. But again, you're getting that IEM shape in the EDX. So the EDX is maybe just $5, so very cheap, even cheaper compared to the TRN here. And you can put some stickers here at the side with the black sticker. So you're getting that BTS logo at the side, and you're getting this as well. So yeah, it's a white on white kind of thing sticker. So she tried to match the cables as well, but I think she also is buying a purple cable to go with this, so she can insert change. But this is the look that you have. So right, so again, yeah, this is a budget, or BTS IEMs on a budget, of course. So this is not gonna be equal compared to your ultimate ears. Those are maybe $1,000 and up, maybe $2,000, depending on maybe the configuration that you're gonna buy. But yeah, definitely on the budget, it's quite interesting that you can modify your IEMs to taste. So I kind of admire modifications on IEMs or audio gear, because it makes it more personal, a bit more yours. So in a way, you're gonna be more invested in the hobby, and that's definitely nice for me. But yeah, this is the showcase, I guess, of these two IEMs, Jungkook and also a BTS Army IEM. So actually, it might be cool. Just an idea while I'm shooting this, that you can have maybe a setup wars of the modifications that you do in your maybe IEMs or audio gear. That will be nice to see, because yeah, you know, it is part of the hobby, making it yours, making it your own. I have seen some in the setup wars that are maybe matching colors, but I haven't seen yet maybe using stickers or things like this to be you know, a bit more personalized. So I would love to see this kind of things in maybe a future setup for us. If that's interesting, let me know down in the comments below. Maybe we can host that. But this is the unboxing or showcase of this maybe BTS IEMs on a budget. Of course, if you enjoyed, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have maybe something like this, of course, if you enjoyed, let me know down in the comments below if you want more things like this. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpolt video. Goodbye.